Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with us today. We have just arrived at the airport in Japan. The time is 10:10 p.m. and the weather is clear. Japan changes its appearance as the seasons change, which may make you want to visit time and again. Likewise, toilets in Japan will make you want to visit repeatedly. Though we only have time until the airplane comes to a stop at the gate, we'd like to introduce you to a toilet in Japan. Japan, the Washlet country. In Japan, toilets are technologically advanced to cater your bathroom needs. Inspiration in developing the technology incorporated in the toilet is taken from everyday Japanese life. Take the toilet lids, for example. They open automatically when you approach the toilet. This mimics the Japanese taxi that automatically opens its doors for passengers, or the way employees of an establishment line up to greet customers with a deep bow. When the lid opens, don't be afraid. Go ahead and have a seat. You may be surprised that the seat is warm. You might think a sumo wrestler was sitting on it, but the heat is actually generated by the built-in heater that warms the seat to an approximate body temperature. There is another function that you may find charming. Japanese women tend to become embarrassed when they are heard using the toilet. To be discreet, women would flush the toilet once to mask the noise, and then a second time to flush when finished. That is how otohime came to be developed. The sound of a toilet flushing is emitted from a built-in speaker, so you only have to flush the toilet once. This is in line with the Japanese spirit of mottainai. This is a remote that controls all functions of the Japanese toilet. A whole set of buttons may make you wonder if you are in a cockpit. Each button is there to take you to a journey of safely and comfortably cleaning your rear. When you press the rear button, warm water will spray from a nozzle. The water sprayed from the nozzle is angled at 43 degrees, the optimal angle found after extensive research. There are also buttons like soft and pulsate for you to adjust the spray to your liking. From the first press of the buttons, you'll experience and enjoy Japanese innovation and hospitality. Japanese people are concerned by the water splashing back onto the wand after use. In response, the self-cleaning function was developed. A special cleansing agent sterilizes the inside and outside of the nozzle to ensure cleanliness before, during, and after every use. Things that are kept clean will always be clean. This way of thinking can be seen in Japanese elementary schools, where children clean their own classrooms, or monks cleaning the temple floor with a cloth every day. It is in this spirit that we always take the next user into consideration by keeping the toilets clean, being considerate to yourself, to everyone around you, and to Mother Earth. This enjoyable bathroom culture is spreading from Japan to the rest of the world. Once again, thank you for flying with us today. We hope you will enjoy your stay in Japan and experience the comfort of Japanese toilets. We look forward to the day when life without a washlet would be unimaginable to you. The Gallery TOTO is an experience-based toilet gallery presented by TOTO and the Narita International Airport. Please stop by and experience the latest developments in toilets on your return flight from Terminal 2.